Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Art or Craft. Today I am going to recycle these two containers into two planters. We need to color these two containers, so I am using Asian Paints white metal color to cover the base. So now I am going to make some doodles on this white base using this permanent marker. So this is the final look. It is very simple and elegant look. Now I am going to plant some plants inside the planter. So if you like my video, please share it with your friends, give me a thumbs up, and if you are new on my channel, please subscribe my channel. For today, bye bye.